guys, so we just got to the dollar store and we're gonna go ahead and see what fidgets we can find. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's go find some fidgets. But before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, press that button. All right, let's go. Let's see what we got.
Open the jar.
You want to open the putty?
Yeah.
Okay. We got this super cool. It's a fidget trade board. So I don't have to draw that funny one anymore.
Open
the putty. So I don't have to draw that silly one that I used to do before. Now I could just use this. So this is awesome. I love it so much. I'm going to open it now. Wow. So AJ wanted to open this orange putty first. More putty?
Yeah.
It's not slime, it's putty.
Yeah.
A blue one. You want to open the blue one now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. That smells good?
Yeah. That's orange and yours. Open the blue first.
Okay, let's open the blue.
Wow,
Blue.
that's slime. Yes.
Now we got blue putty.
Oh.
Whoa.
Let's open the purple one.
Oh my gosh, it's sticky.
Let's open the pink one.
Now we have this pretty like hot pink one and it smells so good. It smells like berries or something. It's so good. There you go.
Let's open the next one as well.
Oh look, we have pink.
Blue and orange too.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite color?
It's pink.
The pink one?
The blue, orange.
Oh no, that's the t-shirt.
Yeah, you have blue, banana.
Okay.
Then the next toy.
Next toy. What do you want to open now?
Because I got what this one.
Oh, squishy ball. Squishy toy.
Want to open that?
I'm gonna open that one.
What? Okay.
This is all from the Dollar Tree. Wow, this one's so cool. It's like filled with like Orbeez.
Get it.
Wow. Let me see you squish it. What? You got some muscles. Wow.
That's a pineapple.
Super. Is it pineapple?
I think it's a pineapple.
Yeah, I think it's a pineapple. Wow. Squishy?
Squish, 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 squish.
What else do you have? So far we have the pineapple.
This one.
Squishy.
Mommy,
Oh, we also got these little mini toys. So cute. Okay, what's next?
do that.
What? A blue one.
Want to open that one?
See.
Let's
one.
look. Look at wagon. Mother, get open that. Nancy, get it. You want to get it.
Wow. It's super squishy, huh? Let me see. Show me both of them. Show me both of the balls. No, show me both. Get both of them.
Now the blue one.
Now the blue one. Wow.
Let's open the next toy.
Next toy.
Ta-da!
What's that? Show me. Show it to me. Flip it around. AJ. Oh,
Mommy.
sticky hands.
Mommy.
This is so cool. You want me to open it?
Yeah.
You gotta smack it. Smack the table. Whoa. And I'm gonna try the blue one. Let's see. It's so like squishy. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it stuck to my fingers. Alright, I'm gonna get it. Ready, smack. Super squishy. Uh-oh.
Robin,
Super squishy and bouncy. That's next? What is it? Let me see. Show it to me. It's a squishy. A squishy pal. Let me see. Give me. Aww. This one's a pink piggy. So cute. You want me to open this one? Yeah? This is so cute and squishy. Here you go. Aww, it's so cute, right?
Yeah.
Here. Wow. It's so cute. Squish the blue one, okay. Whoa.
Then I have maybe it's gumballs on it.
Yeah, those are not gumballs.
What's it?
Those are Orbeez.
Orbeez.
Yeah. Aw, this one's so cute.
I know. Stuck.
Uh-oh, they got mixed together. Oh no. Squishy, 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 squishy.
Oh no.
Here, look, AJ, an orange one now. Wow.
The cat.
Yeah, it's a cat.
Look at it.
Oh wow.
Mommy,
What?
he's really in the ball.
Oh wow. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Money.
You having fun?
Yeah, let's find the store.
Okay, what's next? Is there anything left in there? Yeah. What else? Let me see. Another one! Let me see. Which one's that one?
It's another one.
Oh, this one's a little duck. You want me to open it for you? It's so cute.
Look at it.
Oh,
Good
so
job.
cute. Here you
Yeah.
go. Wow, look.
There's a card box.
Mm.
Look at another one he has.
Hey, what's the last thing you have? Uh-oh, what is it? What's that? Let me see.
Spinner.
It's a fidget spinner?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Wow, we found so many cool things today. Oh no,
Robin.
you got them all mixed together. Oh no.
Robin, the card box is now green. Oh no.
Oh,
The card box is
careful, get stuck. That's so cool, it lights up. Wow, these are some awesome fidgets just for $1. Well, $1.25 now. It's a light up top. So cool. You do it, AJ. You gotta do it fast like this. Ready? Uh-oh. Whoa.
I do it.
Whoa. Alright, so this is the fidget board and it's so pretty and colorful and it makes everything so much easier. So add, oh no, accept, add, deny, and you put the fidgets here. And it's pretty big. This is so awesome. You know what that means? We have to do a fidget trading video soon. Yeah. That, you accepting? Yeah? Yes! What? That's not a ramp. Okay, go. Ready, set. Woo. Alright guys, so soon we're going to be doing a fidget trading video with you guys. We have so many fidgets now. Like, it's insane. So you better give us 1,000 likes if you want a fidget trading video, right AJ?
Yeah.
Say yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, say bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for